What up, everybody? It's your favorite song and snack man, Mr. Victor DeVoe LeBeau. Mr. VDL Victor DeVoe LeBeau, coming at you with another banger. This banger I'm about ready to do is inspired by the holiday season. And what does the holiday season bring? Pies. Lots and lots of pies. And that's the name of this banger. Pies. Bring me an apple pie, baby. Bring me a cherry too. But don't bring me no pumpkin pie, mama, 'cause that pie is doo. But you can bring me a berry pie, mama, a chocolate cream pie too. But bring my favorite baby, bring me a sweet potato pie, honeydew. Bring me all those pies, mama. Please bring them to me, Mr. VDL, the singing snack man, Victor DeVoe LeBeau. It will make me happy, mama. And then we can kick the holiday season off right and do the do with these pies. Oh. That was pies. I know you're gonna love this banger, so go ahead and smash that like button. Also go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Also share this video. You know pies are gonna be made during this holiday season, and pies are gonna be eaten during this holiday season. So go ahead and share this video. Alright everybody, until next time, stay hungry and stay in love.